Hi, I am Aini. In this video, I will show you how to code the data in Excel that you have downloaded from Google Form, and also how to analyze the data in the Excel file that you have downloaded from Google Form. I would like to share the Excel file that I have downloaded from Google Form. So the file name is the same like the name for the Google Form, Trial 1, data analysis, but then it has in the bracket responses. So this is an Excel file. When you download the Excel file, so you will get this worksheet, form response 1. So in this worksheet, you will get all the responses from the Google Form. So you will see the timestamp here. The timestamp will show you the time when the respondents answered your Google Form. And you have the header here, gender, age, gadget, and so on. So the first line here is actually the questions in your Google Form. Okay, the questions are put into column. Okay, the first row is the questions, and then the rows after that are the responses. So the second row contains the responses from respondent 1. Okay, and so on. So now you want to code the responses. Please do not code the responses in the original worksheet, okay? Because if let's say if there is something wrong, you will have we will still have the original worksheet that you can refer to. So what you can do is that you copy the worksheet, okay? Click move or copy, and then you click create a copy, and then you create it maybe move to the end, okay, so that you will get the copy of the worksheet of form response 1. How do you know it is a copy? Because you have this in the bracket. Okay, number 2, right? This one is the original, this one is the copied one. So you want to change the name of the worksheet into coded. Right, so now you code this, okay? It is not important actually to keep timestamp. So for the timestamp, you change to respondent. Okay, to mark the respondent. So you mark the respondent, okay, as 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So here you put number 1, okay, but then it doesn't appear, right? What you can do is that you format the cell. So you highlight the whole column, and then you right click, you go to format cell. After that, you go to here, category, you click general, and then you click OK, so that you can number it 1, and then the second respondent number 2. So if you have many respondents, how do you number them? So it is very easy, okay, right? You clear this first, right? Then you put your cursor, you highlight row number 1 and number 2, okay, and then you put your cursor at the here, okay, right, near number 2, and then you drag it until the last respondents, then you get the number, okay, being typed automatically here. So because you have only 3 respondents, so you delete the other numbers. Now you want to code this, okay, you code gender first. So in order to remember the coding, okay, you click you put your cursor at gender, okay, and then you right click it, and then you choose insert comment, okay. So you want to code number 1 as male, and then number 2 as female. Okay, So when you mouse over gender, you can see the comment. So you can tell that 1 belongs to male, 2 belongs to female. So if you have many responses here, okay, it is very difficult for you if you want to key in one by one. Okay, one for female, one for male, two for female. So what you can do is that you can go to find and select. So you click find, okay, and then you have this, right? Find and replace. So you have find here. So you click replace then. So after that, okay, if you forget, okay, how to code this, you mouse over gender, then you know one belongs to male, right? So you cannot search male first because you have male and female. If you search for male first, then the search result, okay, the find result will be female and male. So you put female first, okay. Female is number 2. So after that, you cannot re- uh, click replace, okay. It is very dangerous. So you find all first. So you find all first, and then you go through, okay, the responses, and then you look at the value. If the value all female, and then you replace all. And then the computer will tell you we made 2 replacements because there are 2 uh, cells that have female, the word female. So then you click OK, right? After that, you search for male. Then you replace with number 1. Okay. So the same goes. You find all, and then you replace all. All right. So you do this to all the uh, responses. Okay. But then I would like to draw your attention to column E and F. If you collect, okay, the response by using scale, you don't have to code the response because the responses are already in the form of numbers. But then if you use a multiple choice question by giving the options strongly agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree, so you need to put the responses. Okay, so it is in the in this column F. Okay, so you do the same for column C and column F, right? Make sure you put the coding as the comment, okay, here, okay, at the cell age, and also at the cell I like Telegram, and also I like WhatsApp. So it becomes like this. I have done, okay. So for I like WhatsApp, so it becomes like this, okay. You see the coding, okay. 1 for strongly disagree, 2 for disagree, 3 for neutral, and then 5 for strongly agree. So the same goes for Telegram. Okay. If you have a chat box, the coding would be a little bit different because a chat box, if you create the question using chat box, actually you give the respondents option, okay, to choose the item. So when the respondent choose the item, it means that the answer is yes. If the respondent doesn't choose the answer, the option, it means the answer is no, right? So let's go to chat box. So what you have to do, okay, in terms of coding chat box responses is that you have to create a column, okay? So there are 3 uh, responses for chat box, so you create 3 columns, okay, 1, 2, 3. So the given options are 3, okay. The first one is desktop or laptop, and then the second option is tablet, and then the last option is smartphone. Right now you have to check the response here. Okay, let's say if the student answer desktop, laptop, so you put 1 here. Okay, if the student does not answer tablet, so you put 0. For smartphone, 0. So for this answer, okay, for this response, the students check desktop and laptop. Okay, so you and also tablet. So you put 1 here and then 1 here, but for smartphone, it is 0. So the same goes to the last respondent number 3. Okay, desktop, yes, so 1. Tablet, yes, 1. Smartphone, yes, 1. Okay, so we are done with this, right? So the coded items, okay, are ready. Okay, this worksheet, okay. In this worksheet, I code all the responses. So what you have to do in order to analyze this, okay, you have to click data. Okay, just now you are at the menu home. In order to analyze the data, you have to click the menu data here. When you click the menu data, okay, you can see data analysis at the end of the bar, right on your right. So you click data analysis, then this will appear on your screen. So you want to do the analysis of the data by using descriptive statistics. So you click descriptive statistics, you click OK, and then you have to put the range. Okay, you only do descriptive statistics for the questions that has Likert scale. So you only analyze, okay, column H and also column I. Okay, you highlight it and then you have to choose, okay, option output options. So where do you want the option to appear? So please choose new worksheet line so that the analysis, okay, will appear in the new worksheet so that you will not be confused. Then you check the boxes here, okay, for the analysis. So you want summary statistics, okay, right. So you click OK, and then here you see sheet 7, okay, you have the results of the analysis just now, right? So you can extract mean, okay, and also standard deviation for your report, okay. If you so that you have to do this nicely, okay, in a table. In order for you to get the nice table and to analyze more easily, it is actually suggested for you to use SPSS. Okay, so I will show you how to use SPSS later. So that's all for now.